Hi guys, it's me and Ethan and Elias. Hi. Video. We. Hi guys, we are in the Epic Resto. Here's Elias and Daddy over here. We're gonna play na. Look. Oh, a dinosaur. The dinosaur. Wow, where is Kuya? Over here. Oh, there's about of a dinosaur. Elias, come here. Oh, Kuya Ethan is holding a big dinosaur. Elias, come. Wow. Ethan. Careful, ah. Come here, Elias. Yeah, look at the camera with Kuya. Oh, Elias. Wow. Hi, Kuya. Video. Kiss si Kuya. Kiss si Kuya. Kiss mo si Kuya. Okay. Hi muna. Hi sa video. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Look at the video. Video with Ethan and Daddy. Yes, let's go down. Mami, tagal mo naman. Hindi ka nasama sa amin. Okay. Okay. Bye. Say hi sa camera.
So guys, ito yung panahon ng sarap sulitin, 'di ba? Sarap nilang laruin, sarap nilang igala dahil ito yung mga moment na hindi mo na mababalikan.
Mommy and Daddy. Wow, Kuya. Hi. Mommy. Wow.
So guys, ayan ang in-order namin. Ayan, 2 plate pero 3 kami. Masyado kasi madaming serving, madaming ulam. So hinati na lang namin. So yung kape na din kami dito. Ayan, kumakain kami. Enjoy lang. At ito, pagkataas namin kumain, gusto na agad maglaro ng mga bata. Kasama nila si Tita Telen. Nagpupunta na agad sa playground. Ito si Mami, selfie. Oh.
What's that? That's a cow, you say.
What is that?
Cow.
A horse.
Show the face of the cow. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Wow. The talent is going up. Go.
So ito yung buong view guys. Ayan, lumipad na kasi kami dyan eh. Ayan, so kitang kita na. Lumapit kami dyan sa para mas malamig. Yun, kitang kita din ng windmill. So ito guys, sarap. Punta kayo dito sa tanay na to. Epic Resto. Ayan, then ito si Mami, tignan nyo, naglaro-laro pa dyan sa bola-bolang malaki. Akyat-akyat. Oh, yun.
Mami, picture. What is this? A picnic. Okay, this is a Epic Resto. We order a shake and a bucket of rice. Oh. Okay, we can eat it na. Okay, go Kuya. Try to get. But wash your hands first. Alright guys, this is their mango shake. Wait. So, yeah, the Epic mango shake.
So yun, after namin kumain, nag-decide na kami na dumiretso dito sa Milk Farm. So, ito guys, obvious ang dala namin. Tapos, medyo rough road talaga siya. So, medyo nahirap-hirapan din kami. Binagalan lang natin. Pero, kaya naman, kaya. Ayan. Kakarating din tayo.
In the jungle. Our videos.
For the animals to feed.
Wow.
The animals there.
The New Zealand of Tanay.
And this is for the animal. For the animal.
Oh,
Wow.
how many cows?
And to hello them.
Hello them. Okay.
Hi guys, we're here. We're here at the farm, the New Zealand of the Philippines daw. Yun. Whoop, horse. So guys, here we go, the New Zealand of Tanay over here, and here is the cows. Then we're gonna go have milk. Yeah. Where are you na? You tell to the video, where are you?
I'm on the farm now.
On the farm. How about Elias? Where are you, Elias? On the farm. Wait, Kuya, look, oh. There's someone Sisu playing Sisu over there, oh. Swing. You want to play swing later? There. Happy kay Mami.
Happy.
Say one more, Mami, one more.
One more?
Say, Mami, one more. One more daw, one more.
Hi. We're here at
Ano
the
yung order
milk
mo?
farm.
Hi guys, here's Kuya eating noodles. What are you eating, Kuya? We are on the farm. There's their beautiful farm. Cows and horses here. They're giving a 3 milks here. Yeah, you can choose a flavor: coffee, chocolate, and natural milk. Fresh milk. Here's Teta Talent, Jess and Mommy. Guys, dahil wala palang food dito sa loob, umorder na kami ng inasal. Inasal, baka naman. Go! Did you go?
Go, Tita Telen.
They are walking to feed the cow's milk. And here's Elias and Daddy. Wow.
Pwede na.
Kuya, let's go. Let's go. Sino magpapat? Sino mag-milk? Okay, Kuya. Yeah, go. Here's your milk.
Pwede.
Pwede na ikaw. Other one. Go. You hold the milk.
Bakit? Busog ata siya eh.
Go. Sige. Go. Up, Kuya. Natatapon din. Sayang, go. Go.
Give one. Give some. Igay ba dali? Yan. Ayaw? Nakain kasi silang food eh.
Kuya, look, oh. You go there. You go there. Yeah, you go there. Video with them. Say hi. Hi ka sa video. Hi sa video. Here, look here. Sa video. This is the whole farm. They're eating pa kasi kaya ayaw pa nila mag-milk. Ayan o. Kuya, look. Hold mo na. Hold na. Hold. Yan. Yan. Ganyan. Nice. Kuya, feeding na cow, oh. Oh, yan. Yan. Up. Here. Oh, look here, Elias. Come here. Come here. Hold. Hold here. Hold. Wow! Wow! Yan. So nice. Oh, nakikita rin na nagpapapit na kami ng cows. Oh. Anong feeds yan, ate? Mga ilang months na sila? 2 years old. Ito 2 years old. Ito po? 8 to 9 months. Ilang taon po nabubuntis ang ang isang cow? 5 years bago magano. Ilan ang inahin nila dito? 50 head? Oh, dami. Yung mga nandun sa labas? Yun yung mga... on the camera. Yeah. Video daddy with mommy. Okay. The cow. You try. Wow. Elias! Look at the cow, oh. Wow. You say, I'm Ethan. And you are? What's the name of the cow? You want to stay here with the cow? Sabihin girl to. Babae. Yeah. Hey! Elias, hi! Say hi, Elias! Hi! Waki kuya, waki!